Hello guys, so once again it's your boy Joshua and you're welcome to my channel, The Disciplined Trader. And it's been a while I've posted a trading video. So sadly I've not been trading since last week because of my rules stated that I was trying to raise a fund for a particular stock, and looking at it I cannot use that emotion or that mindset to trade to trade. But though I've experienced it a lot of times, I've been there and I've done that where I will be looking for funds, trying to raise a fund, and I use that mindset to trade, which looking past my trading journal, most of my losses were actually caused by that same emotion. So my rules now stated that I shouldn't trade when I'm trying to raise a fund as fast as possible. So I'm using my time to trying to get things back in shape, because though concerning my challenge, I've lost 4 trades already, but I didn't have much time to upload it, and I didn't have much time to do the video. So I'm sorry. Though it's the count. So I've taken 7 trades and only 2 wins already, and the rest are losses. So looking at those losses, most of them were actually I didn't wait for the complete setup to come before I entered the trade. So I'm trying to I'm still how will I put it, I'm still not strong yet with the bias. So that's why I'm trying to understand order flow, how it works, and I've gotten a PDF from a friend which is actually saying drop liquidity. So what I understand by drop liquidity is it's 3 candlestick formation. The first candlestick is actually doesn't matter that much, but the second candlestick and the third candlestick is actually what we as traders should be looking at. Yeah, because the second candle will definitely give us the direction where the market could be heading next with third candle. So what I mean is the second candle will give us the insight of the next candle that's going to form, which is the third candle. So the first candle is maybe bullish or bearish candle. Then if we are in a bullish order flow, you see a candlestick coming to sweep the previous daily candles low here and closing inside the previous daily candle, and the next candle is going to push up to continue the bearish order flow, which is the expansion candle. The third candle is the expansion candle. So the psychology behind those 3 candlesticks is like the daily candle or the second candle sweep liquidity or took liquidity from the previous daily candle. Yeah, I mean, like I'm trying to say the second candle after the previous daily candle, yeah, sweep the previous daily candle low, and the next candle that's going to form in the third day is going to take the move up. So those 3 candles, we have price took liquidity from the internal structure, and price will be targeting the external structure, which is the previous high of the, as a bullish order flow, we have the higher highs and the higher low. So the higher low is our internal liquidity, while after internal liquidity have been taken, we will have the external liquidity, which is price will go up there and sweep the higher highs, creating a new higher high. So that's what I've understand concerning the draw of liquidity. Once again, after liquidity have been taken from the internal high, which means the market will be targeting the external high. If it is a bearish candle or a bearish order flow, price will take liquidity from either the lower low, either the lower high or inside the range of the daily candle internal structure, and now target the lower low, which is the external liquidity, creating another lower low. Same goes to the bullish order flow. So this is what I've understand. It's just to keep things very, very simple. For the past few months and back on my trading, I've been trying to complicate things, trying to learn different strategy. Yeah, so I've really admit that I've known a lot of strategy already. So this is time for me to create my own focus on one strategy and become consistent in it. So Another thing I'm doing today is after doing all that, I decide to read my the best book of my life. I mean the best book in my life, which is Trading in the Zone. That book have really helped me a lot. If you as a trader you have not really placed your mind on that book, or you have actually not gotten that book, it's advisable. Me as a trader, and we really advise all my trader friends to get that book, because the book really shifts my mindset. It allows me to really understand how trading really works, because there are some times where there will be losses. You feel like you are not actually putting in work, or you are not actually trading like you used to. But trading is just your belief, how you define it. And the place I really find interest on reading again is that learn how to think as a trader, because sometimes multiple losses can really shift your mental, can really make your mental mechanism to kick you out of the other flow. Yeah, what I mean is, a lot of losses will definitely make you become angry, self-doubt, and you just abandon your strategy. Though this is me though, I was, when I hit a lot of loss when I was using my previous strategy. This is, it actually led me on trying coming into this previous strategy I'm using. But luckily I was coming back into my like learning this strategy actually allowed me to see that what I was trading back then was totally not actually a good way of trading. So every trader have their own part or their own story to tell when it comes to success. So I believe that my success will be on changing my strategy. Yeah, because looking at my current strategy, it actually allows me to see the market direction, entry time frame. Like everything is so simple now. Everything is so clear. Like unlike my previous strategy, you just taking executing trade on the 5 minutes and getting stop out price going your way. Like I don't even have any idea of concerning buyers, but this strategy I really make me, like I really get clarity, yeah, concerning the market. So it is what it is. And I really this book has really helped me a lot to be very sincere and to be very honest. I really understand that trading is like the simplest definition to trading is just recognize a pattern you see that is profitable or that works all the time, almost all the time, or I'll say 50-50 of the time, and you execute your trade, you manage your risk, and you just let it play out. Sometimes it play out good and sometimes it play out bad. So where it's really dangerous is when you don't apply risk management. But to see profitability, you need to make sure the money you are risking is higher than the one you are going to lose. So this is, it's just a risk to reward ratio game and a probability game also. So it is what it is. And luckily my birthday will be coming up on the 27th of this month, and so I've made a video for that, but I've not uploaded it yet because I like I said, I was trying to raise a fund for something. So I've actually reviewed it. It's because of my birthday, and also next month June I'll be completing 2 years in trading. And looking at it, I won't be, sometimes I want to be sad, but it is what it is. Looking at myself, I'm not profitable yet. It's not really easy to keep going and trading without a mentor. So we just have, excuse me guys, we just have to do things ourselves, figure things, using our mistakes to figure things out, enjoying the pain, frustration, the losses, and with belief. Yeah, we just believe, yeah, because our belief is really stronger. We have started already, and we believe we will be successful. Though I will be having a mentor very soon, even if the money is actually big, but I'll try my possible best to have a mentor that will definitely keep on reminding me on the right things to do. So it is what it is. I can always tell myself that I'm strong, I'm disciplined. As long as I know that my mindset is on the right path, I'm okay, and I'll learn from my mistakes, and I'll try my possible best to eliminate them as soon as possible. So see you guys Once again, it's your boy Joshua, and it's channel The Disciplined Trader. And next week I'll be trading. I mean, after my birthday, I'll be trading. So I'm trying to prepare. I'm trying to really understand things and get my mindset in shape so I can be able to operate in a better form as a disciplined trader. So it is what it is. I'll see you guys on after my birthday, and see you guys.